Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Love with Food subscription unboxing for September. This is the tasting box, which is the slightly cheaper one. They also have a deluxe box as well. So the card on the inside, this month I am learning how to. So you're supposed to share something on their social media about that. And let's get into the snacks. So I just tried these for the first time and I just threw them. Sriracha lime chickpeas. I hate chickpeas, but these aren't bad. There's some good flavor on there. Kind of hides the chickpea like dryness or whatever you want to call it. But those are pretty good. And that's by Bush's Best. Ooh, honey roasted pistachios. I have never had that. I've just had regular like salted pistachios, and they're already deshelled or whatever. So that's awesome. Yum, yum, yum. Pistachios are expensive too, and that's a pretty decent size little sample of that. Next we have Mojo Crunch Finger Pickin' Barbecue Snack Clusters, featuring chili pepper and paprika with nuts, seeds, and ancient grains. That sounds good. Is that by Cliff? Yeah, it's by Cliff. Cool. That's good. Also have all natural Belgian dark chocolate spread. Ooh. Sorry if you hear the kids in the background. Super loud today. And I'm very tired, so I'm not even waiting for them to go to bed. I'm just doing all my filming. Here we have Pure Banana, a natural dried fruit bar. Love stuff like that. Pretty much all that's probably in it. Yep, dried bananas, that's it. Love it. Love bananas, love stuff like that. Ooh, No Better Cookie, double chocolate. Only 3 grams of net carbs. Probably gonna eat that as soon as we're done here, because that looks good. We also have Off the Eaten Path. That's a cute name. Chickpeas Veggie Crisps. Haven't had chickpeas in that form, so that might actually be good. And it's made with purple sweet potatoes and black beans. They always send really good, interesting snacks, and they've always been really good. Hardly ever is there something that I don't like. So we do have some about St. Jude's Children, probably for a donation. $50 gift card for this watch. There's normally sometimes coupons or like I've gotten like free, you know, items in here that you could redeem. So that's neat. So always check your little stuff at the bottom. But that's what I got. If you guys are interested in signing up, I've been subscribed for years. Love it. I like trying new snacks. I like having stuff like this that's small that I can put in my purse, take to work, which, you know, the kids, all that stuff. You never know when you need something, so love it. It's very good. And I will put all the information below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.